DTV को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि टेक वर्ल्ड की कोई भी न्यूज आपसे मिस ना हो पाए।
Bivin recently appointed Fortune Marketing to distribute Acer storage products across India. This announcement has taken entire IT market with a great surprise, which got huge response across media. To know complete details about Acer storage products and partnership between Bivin and Fortune Marketing, DT had an exclusive chat with these two key leaders recently. Check out this exclusive Digi chat. Let's start this discussion. Recently, we were all thrilled to see the announcement from Bivin that they have entered Indian market with Acer storage solutions for Indian market. Since then, as being leading channel media in India, we were chasing two key industry leaders to talk to DT. And finally, we have got both of that key leaders for exclusive interaction for DT's huge audiences. Thank you so much. We have with Rajesh Khurana, Country Manager, Consumer Business, Bivin, and no doubt you are the man behind this big news for Indian customers. Sir, your
Thank
reaction.
you. Thank you, Rajiv. So let's. You have any questions we can ask?
Yeah. So I should also welcome Manoj Gupta sir, MD for Fortune Marketing, one of the fastest growing national distributor of India, which has very vast partner network across India and deals with major technology brands in India. And we all know about Fortune Marketing as the way they are growing in recent times. So I welcome you too, sir, for this discussion, and thank you so much for taking our time.
Thank you, Rajiv, for inviting us.
Okay, so to start, my first question will be for Rajesh Khurana sir, because you have made this initiative and bring one of the leading brand to India. So how do you see the Acer storage products entry to Indian market? What changes do you expect in months to come across Indian storage market, as we see this as a disruption? I think so.
Let's see whether it's a disruption or it's an announcement of the product portfolios for the consumers in India. But I'm also very excited about this tie-up. Let me give you a big background. See, Bivin is the worldwide, in fact, world-renowned manufacturer for last 25 years in the field of flash storage devices. So Bivin has already been manufacturing like SSDs and embedded storage chips, memory modules, and then they also take customization services. In addition, we have our in-house capability of IC packaging, which is a big thing in the industry. And to give you an example, we have like 99.7% yield rates in that. So what this tie-up talks about is we take the one of the leading brands called Acer in the world, also in India, plus combined with our manufacturing capability of Bivin with the last 25 years experience into this storage manufacturing, flash storage manufacturing devices. Plus, we have one of the best and leading distributors in the storage field, Fortune Marketing. So we combine these three, and the offer is very exciting for the consumers. And what we bring on the table is Acer branded SSDs and Acer branded memory modules, the DRAMs.
Okay. So that's really interesting, sir. And I forget to congratulate both of you. So this is a big initiative, and definitely we are looking forward to get more details about this. So moving to Manoj sir. Sir, how do you see this new association with Bivin? What, according to you, was one reason to accept distribution business for Acer storage solution through Bivin?
Yeah, so we are very excited, and this storage business has been, you can say, the major revenue for Fortune Marketing, and we have already been doing HP storage business for last 12-13 years. So Acer itself is a very big brand in India, especially for the consumers. So Acer is a big brand in storage business. So and Acer and we know Bivin also. So Bivin is known for manufacturing and offering very good quality storage devices. So I think the combine of Bivin manufacturing specialties and Acer brand. So that is a big thing.
Rajesh sir, I have next question for you. That is, what is the key reason for you
to choose Fortune Marketing as India? There are a lot of distributor in the market, but what prompted you to choose Fortune Marketing as a leading distributor?
Well, first thing is, I think Fortune has been in this storage vertical for last 25 years also, if you look at it. And I've seen Fortune grow from in the same industry in my old assignments as well. So I know Fortune, for a matter of fact, with its strength of resellers, the sub distributors, e-tailers, the retailers. So they have a wide network of specially targeted storage people, storage resellers, storage customers with them. So that was obvious. One of the leading guys, he is in the storage field. So it was very obvious to take him. It comes as a natural
Okay.
selection.
Okay, that's great to know about Fortune, legacy, and you are aware about these legacy since so long time. Manoj sir, I have a next question for you. How do you plan to, because this is the announcement you have already made, and I am sure that you have planned for to offer these solutions to customers. So how do you plan to sell these storage solution in Indian market? Can you specify those plans?
Yes. So in fact, we have already received some inventory, and we have already started offering. We have in the process of making our partners all across India, but unfortunately, due to this recent outbreak of the COVID-19 virus, so the things are going a little slow what we anticipated. But we already made about 25 partners all across India, and we are in the process of making another 25, 30 partners all across India. So again, like Acer band, so we are very selective in offering Acer band to the partners who has the mindset and who can make the investment in terms of their time and money. So we are choosing those partners also only.
Okay, so the plan is already there, and you will be working more closer with the team to make it more stronger and give better reach.
So in fact, we received some inventory about 15 days back, and we have initially we have done some seeding to the leading partners all across India. As I said, like so 25 partners we have already started working with, and we plan to make at least another 25, 30 partners more.
Okay, that's great, sir. So, thanks for answering this part of my query. And so, moving to Rajesh, sir, sir, what all products you'll be offering for Indian customers? So, what are those category of products which you are bringing for Indian customers?
These are like Acer branded SSD products and Acer branded DRAM products. So if you allow me, I can just show you on a small
Sure.
few slides.
Sure, sir.
You can see the
Yeah.
presentation, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So I'll be quick on this thing. On the SSD portion, let's talk about, you can see this is the entry level SATA based SSD drive, 2.5 inch. And it comes with 120 GB to 1.92 terabyte, goes into laptops as well as desktops, easy to install, and with 3 years warranty. Now this is our entry level model SA100. Then on top of it, we have, as you go slightly more like value for money kind of thing. So we have, this is again RE100, which is SATA based, as well as M2 form factor. So we'll talk about M2 later, but this is like with full capacity, 128 GB to 4 terabyte, and comes with a solid metal casing. That is very important. Then this is in the same like M2 format. The earlier was 2.5 inch SATA SSD. This is M2 SATA SSD. So this again is 128 GB to 1 terabyte with 5 years warranty. So RE series are 5-year warranty, whereas the SA series are 3-year warranty, right? Then we also have the super performing FA100, which is based on the PCI Express bus. So with the M2 form factor. Now this is again like 128 GB to 2 terabyte. Now again with 5-year warranty, plus it is meant for people who are looking for professional performance. Like you can see the rates are like almost 6 times faster than our standard SA series. So if you're interested in like high speed, high performance, then you can go for PCI Express FA100 series. Then quickly I'll run through DRAMs modules, which is this is for the laptop, the SODIMM SD100 model, and speeds are like 2400 to 3200 megahertz. Capacity is 4 GB to 32 GB. Again, this is with lifetime warranty and quite high performing and power saving. So this is one of the like these days a lot of people require these things to upgrade their infrastructure. Then this is the other product UD100, which is going into desktops. So again, the 2400 to 3200 megahertz it is coming in. Options of 4 GB to 32 GB, again with a lifetime warranty. So in short, we are bringing these products into India, and all are Acer branded, as you can see, and made in Taiwan.
Okay.
So let me take this out.
So thanks. This will help us to understand our viewers and readers about the set of products you are offering to the Indian customers. Really nice of you that you shared with this with us. So moving to my next part of question with Manoj sir. Sir, this is a big announcement. In fact, we see as a media, this is a big announcement. So how much you are confident about the success of this product?
Yeah, we are pretty confident. Looking at our vast network for resellers, system integrators, online, offline. So we are pretty confident like we will be able to give the fair market share for the Acer brand.
Okay. So can you comment on that? Means, down the line in a year or how much market share we can expect?
See, right now, because of all this, the situation,
Yeah,
it's very difficult to predict anything.
right.
But having said yes, so we want to get some good market share.
Hmm.
So yes, so maybe it may take a little longer time what we initially expected because of these various reasons. So right now I cannot say comments on percentage.
Right,
How much we are going to have.
right, right.
But but yes, so we will be having the fair market share. So that I can assure you.
So can you name that the demand you might have seen that this is the reason I'm talking that fair market share, and these demands are coming from which segment?
The demands are coming from every segment. In fact, SSD, if you talk about, so SSD is now being used in all the verticals, be it IT or surveillance or entertainment, even laptop, desktop, everywhere, right?
Okay.
So SSD business is really going to be is a big business as of it is going to be become a very big vertical, for all the brands, not only for our brand. So SSD business, yes. So we have high hope from SSD business. And again, DRAM, it is not the TAM is not as big as SSD. But again, for like in India, so there are very few brands who are offering quality products. So we are expecting, with the expertise of Devin and Acer brand, so even so we'll do good business for Acer memory business. I mean DRAM business as well.
Okay, sir. So that's really, you have already have all the plans in your mind, because this is a big decision you made, and I'm sure that all the things which you are doing definitely will lead to a success. So coming to my last part to Rajesh sir, my queries for you is how do you plan to provide, because service is very important. So this is my final question for you. So because there are a lot of brand who commits but they don't deliver. So how do you plan to provide best service support to customers who will buy Acer storage products? Because this will help your partner Fortune as well to sell the products in the market.
Yeah, so as of moment, we have evaluated Fortune's strength as a service provider, after sales service provider as well. They have a wide network of this thing providing to the resellers there. So we will be working with Fortune to provide the service network of our products.
Okay.
I'll add something here, like Fortune. So we are already handling uh, a few brands, end to end from importing to selling to service like Tenda,
Yeah.
as working with us, a big brand. So everything, from import to sell to market and to after sales. So we are handling it. HP pen drive or HP micro SD cards, we are doing ourselves.
Yeah.
And like the creative, even that multimedia company, we are doing it for them also. And few of our own brand like Enter and Securite. So we
Right.
are handling everything ourselves. So we have like say 24 warehouses all across India, and about we are say, present in 38 locations right now, and we have a service center in remote location also where we do not have our warehouse or offices. So we have tied up with you know their local partners. So we have been successfully handling all the products being sold by us. So I don't see any challenge. And mostly like in the SSG business, it is going to be like hand-to-hand replacement, right? It's not that you'll take and you'll repair and will give it back to the customer. It's similarly like in pen drive and other say products, we are doing the same thing. So I think we can very well handle RMA for Acer storage devices.
Okay. So
Right.
quickly, if I would like to ask that, will you be adding manpower of the team for especially this for this product, or the same infrastructure will be used?
No, we have will be definitely adding some manpower, especially like in Delhi. We already had a product manager, and we have already have some headcount on some cities, and we are in process of appointing more manpower.
Manoj sir, thank you so much for answering this. Service is very important, and you cleared it very well. That the partner should must know before having association with Fortune, that they have capable and they have experience of handling a lot of service for different brands. Sir, Rajesh sir, I can ask one question from you that. He is also talking about Manoj sir also is talking about adding few manpower. So can we see manpower under your umbrella also, so that they can help the sales team of Fortune?
See, to start with, at this moment, we are working with Fortune and their team to get these things streamlined. As we move further into it, we'll review, and as the market requires, we'll see what to do and how we can do. But this is a time-to-time thing, which is depends on how the
Right.
situation evolves.
Right. Yeah.
But at this moment, I think it is wise because we already see they have like around 30 plus branches and people across different uh, areas, geographical. So I'm already started to work in tandem with them. Yes, definitely. As we move forward, we'll review that and see how we can move into it.
Okay. Okay. So I think we have concluded this discussion, because what the agenda we had, we truly deserve. It was very precise discussion and to the point discussion, and you both gentlemen answered all those requirements which we had for our publication. So, but before going, signing off, I would like to know, Manoj sir, from you first, that what will be your a small message to your channel partners whom you are dealing with, or the new partners who want to have the Acer business with you. So a small message for all of them.
Uh, my message is very simple. So Fortune is about now 27-year old company, and we have been dealing with various products for like for so long. So yes, we always choose the quality product where we have the faith, like, and we give the customer value for money. So of course, so my message is simple. Yes, Acer. So whatever uh, you know, uh, be the quality or be the after sale service, be the prices. So we are going to be very good at on these fields.
Okay, thank you, sir. Rajesh sir, quickly, if you can add your message to partners, please.
I would strongly suggest that please go and in fact, leverage the benefit of this combination of Acer, Bevin, and Fortune. This combination is very, very unique, if you ask me from Indian standpoint of view. And this unique combination gives you the best of one of the leading brands, Acer, best of one of the leading manufacturer in the world, best of one of the leading distributors in India. So I think combination should be very, very exciting for the Indian customers.
Okay. So as you guys are excited, even we as a technology media are excited about knowing this big news from all of both of you. And this is where we will conclude our discussion. So I would like to thank you so much, Rajesh sir, Manoj sir, for taking out time and giving us this opportunity to know more about this new association. I hope you have already you must have enjoyed this discussion, and definitely so just to conclude it, I have a great message for you. In future also, we'd like to interact with you so that we can track the development about this new announcement and what you had shared on this. I, on behalf of entire team DT, wish you both good luck and great journey ahead. Thank you so much for joining, sir.
Thank you,
so much.
Rajiv. Thank you.
Thank you.